Let's talk about the growing pains that vertical operators face. A vertical business is usually comprised of three elements: the production arm, distribution arm, and retail arm. Each of these tend to grow at a different rate though. So let's say in 2 years you find your production capacities are sufficient, but decide to double your distribution efforts to help service all the new stores opened under your vertical. Now you're faced with the dilemma of exponentially growing processes. So what does that mean? If you're distributing 2 different SKUs to 3 different retailers, that's 6 individual intake processes that are being completed. Maybe that only takes a little bit of time, and every few intakes there's an error made, but it's not a big deal. Next time you go back to the same 3 retailers, but with 1 new SKU. So you've gone from 6 individual intake processes to 9. A few more hours are added, and maybe a few more mistakes, still not a big problem yet. It becomes a big problem as your business expands, and you start servicing chains of stores with a whole catalog of SKUs. You've exponentially increased the number of individual intake processes taking place. That intake process that used to take a few hours now takes 40 to 50 hours per store. There's a lot of time and cost associated with intake, not to mention the cost of human errors that are being made along the way. Thankfully, we've built the Distru Treez integration to tackle this problem head on. With our integration, your distributor can create a sales order in Distru and have it automatically populate in your retailer's tree system as an intake invoice. All they have to do to complete the intake process from there is accept the invoice. That's hours of invoice intake processes turned into seconds of button clicking with the added benefit of eliminating human errors. It's really that simple. Reach out to us today and let's show you how we can help out.